Yes. Yes. You see, we got that cheese and that ground beef right there. So prepare to go to work on that shallot. You know, of course, I am the chocolate solution to all of your vanilla problems. Yes. Yes. You see, I have on my Bowser Koopa, King of the Koopa shirt. Yes. Bad times don't last, but bad guys do. Yes. Yes. Getting that tomato, that juicy tomato chopped up right there. Hope everybody is doing well on this Taco Tuesday. Yeah, this Taco Tuesday, we're making those crunchy, cheesy, beefy, melty, cheesy burritos. Yes. Right now, I'm getting these veggies chopped up for a salsa. And you see we have our lime right there, chopped in half. You see, I tried to make a small indentation in the peel so I can peel it, but that peel was not letting go, so, you know. Chocolate did what he had to do, yes! Yes. Getting that lime all diced up right there, so we can get that minced and mixed together in our food processor. And of course we have the lemon, yes, the lemon. The lemon. We're doing that lemon exactly like how we did that lime right there. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes, I was craving heavily something as festive and flavorful as this. So I went ahead and I whipped it up. And I waited until Tuesday to bring you this very special presentation right here. As we get our ingredients, our chopped ingredients added into that food processor. One of the better gifts I've gotten for myself. Yes, absolutely. Look at that. Just a myriad of color in there. All the color you'd expect out of a good salsa. And we get, look. Oh yeah. Yes, our little plushy taco getting in the way right there. Want to present itself. And we get that chili powder added to that salsa. We get this veggie bouillon added as well. And we're just building up a flavor profile. For our salsa, we have cilantro leaves or flakes, if you will. Dried cilantro flakes. And we have the ground black pepper right there, getting it added on in. Lemon pepper, of course. Garlic powder. The onion salt. Yes, getting that flavor profile built up. And notice I didn't make several shakes into it. I didn't want one seasoning to overpower the other. Just light shakes. just maybe two or three light shakes. As I get it mixed up right there, I kind of mixed it around right there. We're taking a corn chip to it to get a little sample of this salsa, and I give it a thumbs. Oh, absolutely. Now on to the guacamole. Of course, you know the base of that is avocado. Yes, do you smell what the wok is cooking? Yes, getting that into that food processor to come up with a beautiful guacamole right there, reserved back into the cap of that avocado. And all I did was take the avocado and I mixed it with a little salsa, and it is so good. Oh, the wok is good. The wok is good. The salsa was good, but the wok was good. So, a great decision to add salsa to it. You see, we're getting that cheese spread out all over that ground beef, getting it rolled up into that tortilla. We're just going to be repeating that process. Now, actually, I made a mistake right here because they're supposed to be cheesy, beefy burritos. Cheesy, beefy, and crunchy. But I forgot the crunch right here. I forgot the crunch right here. Yes, but it's okay. It is okay. Because we're packing what we're lacking. Yes. That's what we absolutely do. We pack what we lack. And we're getting that burrito rolled up right there. Oh my goodness, dude. What I would give for one of these right now. Talking about it only makes me hungrier. I promise you. They were good quality burritos, something you get out of a food truck. Absolutely. Get that ground beef kind of lined up, do a straight line for our walk. Get that ground beef lined up. Get everything in a line. The only thing I'd add to this is rice and beans, possibly, but other than that, this is perfect. This is fine right here, getting that cheese on top of that ground beef, because this is beefy and this is cheesy. Hope you guys are doing well. Actually, you know, if you can do me a favor, if you made it to, this far into the video, please do chocolate a favor, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Plus, the more you like, the more likes that you leave, the further my videos get pushed out into the public, trying to expand our reach here. And now I have remembered, my burritos, they were lacking the crunch. They were lacking the crunch right there, so we get that crunch incorporated. And getting that cheese on top. Same process, you guys. So easy and fun to make. Absolutely fun to make. I had fun just making these were fun, but the only thing that was more fun than making it was eating it, yes! Oh yes, getting yet another one. wrapped up right there. Wrap it on up, chocolate. Wrap it up, yeah. Let's press it a little bit, yeah. Absolutely. Several examples for you right here. Example after example after example. Getting those tacos rolled up. You guys let me know in the comment section below what you like in your burrito. Yeah, let me know. Let me know. Let chocolate know what you like. So we get that non-stick skillet buttered up right there, and we're placing our tortillas, our burritos on it. Just placing it there. That's it there. Getting it flipped. Make sure it's cooking evenly on each side. Love the golden browning on one side. Oh my goodness, that is a thing of beauty. Listen to me. Thing of beauty. Oh my goodness. Taco who? Taco who? You talking about the place that we're not sure if the meat's real, right? Look at this. You can't compete. You absolutely cannot compete. Guys, I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful Taco Tuesday. I'm just showing off my work. I love it. Have a fantastic Taco Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen. And until next time, it's been real. See ya.